Now, here's a question that I know a ton of you are thinking. You haven't asked me yet, but you're thinking it. Is the elite/platinum membership on Voice123, the $5,000 a year membership, is it worth it? And today, I'm gonna answer your questions and your prayers, and I'm gonna deliver that video. So buckle up. And if you're new here to this channel, my name is Jesse Carroll. I'm a professional voice actor and coach. I've voiced over 2,000 voiceover commercials. I am the host of Backroad Truckers on History and Hulu channel. And if you've been following this channel for the last month, it's probably canceled because we haven't done a season in like two years now, but I did it. And I'm also the founder of VoiceOver School, where we teach you how to get your first job if you're brand new, how to go full-time and even earn six figures, and now get nominated for awards, because one of my students was nominated for Best Newcomer at the 2025 One Voice Awards. In fact, half the category was from VoiceOver School, half the nominations. Anyway, back to what you're here for. Is the platinum membership on Voice123 worth it? Should you pay $5,000 a year? And we are going to answer that right now. So here are the membership tiers. This is my plan right here. This is the elite plan, formerly the platinum plan. $4,950. Okay, so not quite $5,000, but you pay $1,500 quarterly every 3 months. I think it's every 3 months. Every 3 months or is it 4 months? 3 months. Math is fun. But here, right now, let's break this down. You get access to 95% of matching projects. 95%. And we'll show you what the other membership tiers get access to. You're gonna be also the first to be invited. Let me talk about speed in voiceover. Speed is so important in voiceover because the voice artist is usually the last person in the chain hired. The first people hired are the copywriters, the marketing agency, the directors, the producers. And by the time they get to hiring the voice actor, they're already on like version 18 of the script and got the animatics, and they're behind and the client's pissed. So they need to get to the voice actor and record it right away. So they're always going to be in a hurry when they get to you. Getting to the job first is going to help you book more jobs. You also get featured on the first page in search results. Half of the jobs on Voice123, half, 50% are booked through the DMs. The one caveat on that I would say is if they only hit search and enter no terms, all the platinum actors will show up. All the elite plan actors will show up. But if they enter any kind of search terms into it, then it's fair game. Watch another one of my videos about how to, did I make a video for it? How to tag your demos properly? No, that's in VoiceOver School. You guys don't get that sauce unless you join VoiceOver School. Just learn how to tag your demos properly and you'll show up in the search terms. You get priority support with the account manager. I think I get the same support as I got when I wasn't platinum/elite. And there's only 84 people on this plan. I'm pretty sure it was 80 before. I think they just added 4. But it's limited seats, meaning you can't just sign up for this. You have to apply. And then you have to go on a waiting list and wait for people to get off the waiting list. And then you got to get approved for it. So you got to have some serious credits to get in. It's only for the top tier actors. I got in here when I booked Backroad Truckers. I applied for this right away and I got in pretty quick. I think it was during COVID, like when it first started. So some people like quit or they just want to save the money. And I was like, fuck it, I'm going all in. And I did this plan and oh man, did this plan change everything. I was on the 2200 before this and that's a great plan too. So don't despair. If you can't get in on that, don't worry about it. Just go with the next plan. The best plan you can get. So here's the other plans. Free, that's actually not bad. I don't mind free. The reason I don't mind free is because you don't have to pay shit, but you can still get work if you tag your demos correctly. 50% of the jobs happen in the DMs. Make sure you tagged all your demos correctly, put up at least 30, better 50, 60, tag them all to the best extent that you can. You won't get access to any jobs, really, 1%, it's nothing. But people can find your demos and they might invite you to a job and you can get work on here without paying for membership. $49 a year, it's garbage. You're not gonna get any auditions and they're all gonna disappear before you get them. $200 a year, garbage. You're only gonna get 20% of matching jobs and they're gonna disappear before you get them. The lower the budget of the plan that you get, the later you get your auditions. And the client's probably gonna fill them before it gets to you because it's gonna go from the elite plan to the 2200 to the 888 to the 495 and then down to the 200. This one, 495, is garbage. Don't get this either. 888 is not as good as it used to be. Honestly, if you can swing it, get the 2200. That's the only one that I think is really, really worth it for people that want to take this seriously. If 888 is all you can come up with, no problem. You can make that work too. But look at this. 65%, you'll get just over half of the jobs. You'll get access to just over half of the jobs. Excuse me. No, I'm not allergic to anything. I don't know what that's about. And at the 2200, you'll get access to 80%. And you'll get invited sooner than these. And there's only 309 actors in this. Now, some people say, listen, this is crazy. Why are these people charging so much? And to that I say, do you have a bunch of clients that are tossing you auditions right now? If you do, just do that. But on here, they have marketing people reaching out to different agencies trying to get auditions posted on the platform. That costs money. That costs money to run ads. It costs money to pay the people that keep up the site. They have to charge because they don't take a commission from what you book on the site. Voices.com, the other platform, the evil platform, as some people call it, not me, don't kick me off. They take the membership fee and commissions up the fucking wazoo. These guys don't take shit for commission. They don't take anything. So they have to charge membership. How would you make it differently? Would you charge it even all across the board and just get everybody access to the same job? I think that's ridiculous. It's just gonna be oversaturated and the client's gonna get too many results. And I think out of the best ways to do it, I really like this because anybody who is worth their salt in voiceover that can book is gonna have no problem paying $2,200 a year because they're gonna make way more than that. The elite plan, easy as well. Like that's nothing compared to like what I make a year in voiceover. But the thing is, I get access to way more jobs, 95%. In here, 80%. And think of it like this. You're not doing one-off jobs like you do on voices.com. You're building your client database. Every client you book on here, you're adding that to your Rolodex of clients. And if you're keeping up with them like you should, you're just building it and building it and building it and snowballs and snowballs and snowballs. And I use Voice123 to add to my client list. That's what it's for. So the elite plan, is it worth it? Yeah, absolutely. And think of it like this too. $4,950 a year is not much to pay when you have the possibility of making over six figures on this plan. Most of the actors in here of the elite plan actors don't even audition. They just have their profile sitting there and they just get offered jobs. If you're good and you have great demos, that happens on here. So it's absolutely worth it. And think about it like this. People that have problems with paying companies money to get auditions. How much time are you spending cold marketing trying to reach out to companies to get your own clients to get auditions that way? How many of them respond to you? How many auditions do you get with that way? If you care about your time so little that you can do that, go for it. I can't do that. My time is worth something. So I'd rather just pay them to do it. But also, let's say you're opening a shop, because in voiceover, we're in a business, right? Say you're opening up a shop in New York City and you're gonna sell shoes. And you can have the option of selling them on the Lower East Side of Manhattan in a random neighborhood and pay $200 a month in rent, and there's crackheads outside and it's just no foot traffic and nobody wants to go down there. How much do you think you're going to sell? Now, if you get a store on Madison Avenue where there is tons of traffic and you're getting people coming into the shop all the time checking you out, do you think you're going to pay more? Of course you are. To this, I say, if you take voiceover seriously, that price should be no problem. I do not work for Voice123 and there's no spots currently open. I'm not trying to sell you on this. I'm just letting you know that this should be your ultimate goal. No matter what you do in voiceover, even if you're like, I'm all agents all the way, adding this is going to get you more agents and better, I wouldn't say better quality, but like often better quality than what your agents can get. But it's going to help you build an actual real business. So in conclusion, the $5,000 plan on voices.com is totally worth it. 100% worth it. And I have it, and I do not plan on getting rid of it. Today is a short one. Just wanted to fill you guys in on that. Oh, and also I should show you, I've done like 20 auditions already, and I still have like 24 up. These are all auditions I got today. Is this something for X-Men? For Wolverine, I'm gonna do that next. 24 jobs, 24 auditions, and I've already done a bunch. Anyway, I digress. So, in actual conclusion, yes, the $5,000 plan, in my opinion, on Voice123 is absolutely worth it. I don't think you can really argue if it's worth it or not. If you can find a way to get 40, 50 auditions a day, more than that, another way, cheaper, let me know. I'd love to hear it. Let me know in the comments. And let me know, guys, like if you're not on Voice123, what are you scared of? When you want to get on there. What's stopping you? Is it the money you want to spend? Are you super anti pay to play? Do you think you have a better way of getting auditions than I do? Let me know in the comments. I want to chat. Also, quick little announcement, VoiceOver School, where I teach, very hands-on. We've got live classes, we've got replays, we've got events, all kinds of stuff happening all the time. I know the cost of that is out of the reach for a lot of you. It is, but you know, my time is limited, so I have to charge a pretty penny if I'm going to be super involved. So we decided to launch another community, which is more for the beginning people. It's going to teach you how to get set up, get started, basic editing skills, all the things you need to get your business up and running and on your way to booking work. And it's also going to include a group Q&A with me once weekly, super cheap, just $25 a month. It's called, what did we call it? We just made it. Yes, it's going to be super cheap. We just launched it. It's called the VO Launchpad. Ta-da! So if you're interested in dipping your toes into VoiceOver and you want a really cheap, affordable way to learn the basics and hang out with me once a week and get your questions answered in the message board and all that jazz, check out the links below. Other than that, I'm Jesse. This has been another video, and let me know what you guys want to know from me. Let me know what you want to hear. You want me to touch on a subject? I want to know. Put it in the comments. Other than that, see you next time.